Ladies and gentlemen, snow hit New York one more time before the spring break. Snowstorm hit New York one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Reporters covering this breaking news as we speak. It's almost like a 5-inch snow drop on the city. One was expecting warmer weather. It's getting cooler. So we don't know kind of spring we're gonna have, but we are still positive. We're looking towards snow. I mean, actually the spring break coming up, and we're following this. Ladies and gentlemen, this development is almost 9 p.m. New York time, not East Coast time, and we are following this development, ladies and gentlemen. Please stand by as we cover this on our capabilities. Alright, this is heavy snowstorm drop on New York one more time, ladies and gentlemen. The forecast seems to be higher than projected, so we are following this development to see what's going on here. Okay, so stay with us, ladies and gentlemen. Reporters in New York City. Snowstorm hit New York one more time before the spring break, and this is breaking news. New Yorkers are still going about their businesses regardless. Big snowstorm across the city, ladies and gentlemen. Monitoring this. Negotiate their way out of this snow. So we are monitoring this, ladies and gentlemen. For reporters here in New York City. It's a snowstorm one more time on the city. Slowly getting bigger and bigger. This is what it is right here. Snowstorm, ladies and gentlemen, in New York City. Time. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we got. Oh yeah, this is the view. Snowstorm. Alright. New York, ladies and gentlemen, it's 9 p.m. New York time. The reporters have flown this development. Snowstorm in the city. Alright. Right here, this is what you got. Traffic, heavy traffic jam. I'm sure possibly the airspace have been shut down until we get an idea how long this is gonna take. Okay, this is traffic in the city. Traffic in the city, ladies and gentlemen. Traffic in the city. It's a heavy snow jam. We are following this. Please stay with us as we follow this breaking news in the city, ladies and gentlemen. Snowstorm hit the city one more time right here. People are going about their businesses. Right here. So we got it's a heavy traffic jam in the city, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Snowstorm hit the city one more time. Where do we go from here? It's increasing and dropping further and further. We don't have an idea how much it's going to be coming down today, but maybe pretty much it's over. But the one we have is close to 3-inch snow in the city. One reporters covering this program as we breaking news which Jeremiah as he hits us in the city right here in New York City. We'll bring you further news as time goes on here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, stay with us. Thank you.